Hey everyone, welcome back to Nextgen Finance. Today we're diving into Trump's tariffs on China, what he said, why he did it, and how it affected trade between the two countries. Whether you're a business owner, a consumer, or just curious about global economics, this video will break it all down in simple terms. Let's get started. Donald Trump made it clear that he believed China was taking advantage of the US for years. He repeatedly said things like, "We can't let China continue to rip us off. They've been taking hundreds of billions of dollars a year from the US, and we're stopping it. Tariffs will make America stronger and bring jobs back." His argument was that China was using unfair trade practices, including stealing US intellectual property and manipulating its currency to make exports cheaper. He said tariffs would force China to play fair. But did they? Let's find out. Starting in 2018, Trump imposed tariffs on Chinese imports worth hundreds of billions of dollars. Here's how it played out. First wave, 25% tariff on steel and aluminum. Then, tariffs on electronics, clothing, and even everyday items like furniture. By 2019, more than $360 billion worth of Chinese goods were affected. In response, China fired back with its own tariffs on American products, especially hitting US farmers hard. This back and forth became known as the US-China trade war. Tariffs have winners and losers. Here's what happened. For some American industries, Trump said the tariffs would bring jobs back to the US, and some industries, like steel, saw a boost. For businesses using Chinese imports, prices went up, making it more expensive to manufacture goods. For consumers, many everyday products became more expensive due to increased costs for businesses. Trump insisted that China was paying for these tariffs, but studies showed that American businesses and consumers bore most of the costs. Trump was confident that the tariffs would pressure China into a better trade deal. In 2020, the Phase 1 trade deal was signed. China agreed to buy more US goods, including agricultural products, in exchange for some tariff relief. Trump called it a huge win. But some critics argued that the damage to businesses and farmers was already done, and that the deal didn't fix the core trade issues. So, were Trump's tariffs a success? He said they made America stronger. Supporters agree that they forced China to negotiate, but opponents say they hurt American businesses and consumers more than China. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think Trump's tariffs on China were a good strategy, or did they do more harm than good? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on economic trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.